Yo, what up? This is impromptu. I had a whole plan. I was gonna talk about what you should do and have a script. But to be honest, I don't think it's worth it. I'm just gonna speak from the heart. So, if you notice, I've been gone for a little while, and that's okay. I needed a break from everything. Past 2 years have been rough. They've been rough. They're actually devastating, if I'm being honest. In 2022, I lost both of my parents, and it's been hard. 5 months apart. My dad and I, we were all right. You know, we had some issues we were working through, but we were cool at the end. We were okay. But my mom and I were very close. That was my best friend. And losing her, it was devastating. Every day, man, you wake up and you try to do the best you can, regardless. You try to push forward. And there's always a reason, there's a why that you push so hard. There's something that's there that pushes you to get to the next level. My mother was my reason. And without my mom, I struggled to find a new one. I was asking people, hey man, could you just give me some time to figure things out? They wouldn't. I had one person in particular, this is right after my dad died. This dude told me, hey man, we need to talk, I'm having a rough time. You're having a rough time? What do you think I'm having? I'm not bitter, I'm not angry. I think the most important thing here is that I'm just honest now. I'm open about it. Let's just call it for what it is, man. And you couldn't even give me a moment to myself, man. Speaking on things you know nothing about. With my mom, she didn't have an easy time passing. And I knew in that moment, while I was there with her, and I held her right here. I held her the whole time. And I said, God, if I go through this, whatever little bit of sanity I have is gonna go with her. But I stayed the entire time. I held her head right here. So things may seem a little bit off for me. I would expect people to say, I get it. You don't know how strong you are until you were put in a situation that you can't even imagine. When my mom left, she took whatever mental block or struggles I had, she took it with her. So clarity started to set in, but unfortunately, it's been a struggle, man. If you saw the thumbnail, you know I'm talking about trading as well. It's a struggle. Trying to trade with a clear head, man, and you're pushing yourself because without the why that you can see, it all relies back to faith. And I still have to do it for my mom. I'm not gonna make this video super long, but I just wanted to be real with you, man. There's so many people on this app. I'm gonna show you the highlights, 'cause my life is dope. Not so much. I've been struggling as a trader. I started trading almost 20 years ago. I got gray hair now, which is crazy. But that's what this channel is. Me trying to figure out my why again. Me pushing through the pain. But I'm gonna keep pushing. And I hope you do the same. We don't understand the importance of the things that are currently here until they're gone. And my mother knew she was loved, you know, every day. My dad did too, you know. But my mom was the sweetest woman in the world, most caring, most loving woman ever. And without her, the light has grown a little bit darker. But I'm gonna keep going, because that's what she would want me to do. It's been real, and we're gonna get to the goal. If not just for me, but for her as well. Much love.